Hi friends, welcome to Ichche Aahar. Today I will show you how to make traditional Indian dessert vermicelli kheer or pudding or Simui Payesh or Seviyan Kheer. Vermicelli kheer or pudding or Simui Payesh or Seviyan Kheer is a very traditional popular Indian dessert. During various Indian pujas, festivals and celebrations, vermicelli kheer or pudding or Simui Payesh or Seviyan Kheer is made. It is a very delicious popular Indian dessert. If you like my today's video, then like it and share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get quick updates of my new videos. Now friends, let's see what ingredients are required for making vermicelli kheer or pudding or Simui Payesh or Seviyan Kheer. Milk maximum fatty 500 ml, vermicelli 50 grams, cashew nuts 25 grams, pista or pistachios 5 grams, saffron few threads of saffron, raisins 25 grams, bay leaf 1 piece, sugar as per taste, green cardamoms 3 pieces, ghee 1 teaspoon, some rose petals for garnishing, almonds optional for garnishing. Now let's see the procedure of making vermicelli kheer or pudding. First heat ghee in a pan and fry the vermicelli for 2 minutes on a low flame. After frying, keep them aside in a bowl. Now in a pan, boil milk for 4 minutes. Now take a bowl and steep few threads of saffron in lukewarm milk and keep it aside for a few minutes so that the saffron can release its wonderful color and aroma. After 4 minutes, add cardamoms and bay leaf to the milk and boil and stir the milk for 1 minute. Now add the fried vermicelli to the milk and mix it very nicely and continuously boil and stir the milk for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see that the vermicelli is almost cooked. Now add sugar, raisins, some cashew nuts and the mixture of milk and saffron. Now mix all of them very nicely and continuously boil and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame until a thick and creamy consistency appears. Now you can see the most desired thick and creamy consistency, which is the most important part of making vermicelli kheer or pudding. To get the authentic and traditional flavor and aroma of vermicelli kheer or Simui Payesh, this creamy and thick consistency is very important. Now the vermicelli kheer or pudding or Simui Payesh or Seviyan Kheer is absolutely ready. But before serving, garnish it with pista or pistachios, almonds, cashew nuts, rose petals and some threads of saffron. See the way I have garnished it. You can serve it hot, but I like to have it chilled. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my today's video, then like it and share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get quick updates of my new videos. I will again come with a new recipe video. So bye for now, take care and have a nice day.